I am back. Thank you for joining us today. We are going to make a really simple dessert. It's fast. Banana Fosters. Alright, it's going to entail bananas, a brown sugar flambe, ice cream, and we are going to add a little switch up to the original recipe, and we're going to make a cinnamon sugar phyllo cracker, crunch bite, whatever you want to do, but that's what we're going to start with. Okay, so we have our oven heated to 350 degrees. Heating to 350 degrees. About 3/4 stick of butter. We're going to throw this in the microwave, get this melted down. 1/4 cup of sugar. Say about a tablespoon of cinnamon. You know, I'm going to go a touch more on the cinnamon. Perfect. Get this out of the way. Perfect. Very nice. We have our melted butter. I'm using unsalted butter. Our cinnamon sugar mix. Now we're going to need a sheet pan and phyllo dough. Working with phyllo dough is super fragile. You quite never really know what you're going to get. Sometimes they're all torn up, sometimes they're not. We'll see if we lucked out this time. Actually looks pretty good. So what we're going to do here is we are going to build layers, right? So we're going to take, hopefully I'm not covering you guys too much. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Found piece phyllo. Butter. Then we're going to go ahead, cinnamon sugar. Doesn't need to be too heavy because we are going to layer this multiple times. So you're going to just build everything up. Okay. You do want to work relatively quickly with the phyllo dough, or you need to cover it with a damp towel so it doesn't start to dry out and start to flake on you. So if it is something that you're not quite comfortable with, make sure damp towel, cover it up. Make sure you really get those edges good. It's going to help lock the two pieces into each other. And we're going to continue again, another layer of cinnamon sugar. Again, repeat the process. Would probably be really good since we are coming into the fall. If you want to do your whole pumpkin spice kick, a little pumpkin spice in here would probably be phenomenal as well. You want to go ahead and you want to do this about 8 layers. Oh yeah. Oh, the oven's ready for me. Perfect. Sugar. Our last layer is here. This is down. Beautiful. It's the top, so make sure you get it pretty well. This is going to be the golden delish piece that you will see. Okay. We're going to go a little bit lighter now with the brown sugar because it already has butter on top. It's all going to brown together. And we don't want it too dark. Just a little something. The phyllo dough, you could roll back up. Roll it up really good. Saran wrap, you could throw it back in the freezer. Use it again later. We have our cinnamon phyllo cookie that needs to go into the oven now. 350 until it's done. Okay, so we have our phyllo cinnamon cookie thing in the oven. You again can just do this all ahead of time, and all you have to worry about when it comes to actually serving is flambeing your bananas. So right now we're just at a standstill. Everything else is pretty much made in the pan. Oh baby, golden brown, delish. Phyllo dough has come out of the oven, 350 degrees. It was in there for 15 minutes. It's golden brown. Let this just sit and cool down. It'll make for an easier way to cut it. I'm impatient, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this right now. It is pretty cool overall. You can definitely tell that it's begun to set and crisp up even more. Cut this however you want. If you want to do squares, awesome. Little triangles, use your imagination. I'm just gonna go ahead and do triangles because I think it looks good. We have our Phyllo crisps done. They're ready to go. We have brown sugar, butter, and now we're gonna start the process of our flambe. Get yourself your pan going, have everything ready to go because once you begin this, it's a very fast process. All right, we got our pan ready to go. It's warm. We're gonna go ahead and put butter down. Let that melt. Don't have your flame too hot where you start to burn your butter, but once your butter is melted, you're going to want to go ahead and turn your heat up because you do want this to be pretty hot. I might have contradicted myself, but it is what it is. That's why I'm showing you live how we do this. Okay, the butter's starting to melt down. We're pretty much fully melted at this point. Brown sugar. Stir that around. I got to get my banana ready, but here we are. Don't cut myself. That's a pretty sharp knife. Okay. Get that incorporated with that brown sugar. Let it do its love. It's caramelizing. This is where it's all at. We're going to go ahead. First half of banana. Second half of banana. This out of here. Go ahead and start stirring this up. Start coating these bananas up really nice. At this point, we're going to come in with our spiced rum. You could use any kind of dark rum or any kind of liquor you want. Whatever you want. In. Flame. Yeah, baby! This is for show only, okay? Let this come down, just let it keep moving. Flip over your bananas. Delish. Turn it off, it's done. All right, we're gonna plate this. I went ahead and cut a little round circle just to basically hold this vanilla down a little bit. Vanilla ice cream. Oh boy, that's hard and frozen. Scoop. Boom. Okay. One of our bananas decided they wanted to break, so such is life. The other one hung tough so far. Boom. We're gonna take, of course, this caramel all over your banana. Yes. Why not? Just why not? No one's gonna complain. Okay, at this point, you're gonna head, stick in your Phyllo crisp, and you have yourself banana foster. Oh geez, don't do that. Ah yes, banana foster. A really good way of serving this would be in a martini glass. I don't drink martinis, so I don't have them. But when I used to work in restaurants, it was a popular way that I like to do that. Instead of leaving the bananas whole, I would just cut them into circles, do the exact same process we did. Ball of ice cream, throw your bananas on top, stick your Phyllo right on top, and it just makes for a great presentation. We have to try this because I'm ready. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Fantastic. You must try this out. The wife's looking at me like, okay, get over with it and make mine now. So I'm going to end this. I'm going to wrap this up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Must try. It's fantastic. It's delicious. It's simple. It's easy. It's quick. Again, thank you guys so much for taking time to watch. I hope you enjoyed it. Have yourselves a blessed day and enjoy.